On this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Dzine AI Pro for free so that you can test their premium features for free. And if you are wondering what is Dzine AI is actually an AI powered design tool that can actually help users create graphic, illustration and other visual content quickly. It is likely includes features such as text to image generation, design automation and various templates for brand, social media and also print on demand products. Since AI design tools are actually rapidly evolving, Dzine AI can actually offer you integrations with platforms like Canva, Adobe, allowing you for more customization. So on this video, I'm going to be diving in so that you guys can benefit and also can try these new features, premium features for free. So let me show you so that you can actually try Dzine AI. It is one of my favorite that I highly recommend. I have tried it several times. It does amazing job. So if you want to try Dzine AI Pro for free, this video is for you guys. So stay tuned until the end of the video so that you can actually do what? See everything. Now the very first thing, as you are seeing on my screen, I have the dashboard for Dzine AI. You log in your your browser, depending on which browser you're using, and then you click on the first link. It's gonna bring to you Dzine AI. And then you want to log in with your email. If you have never used Dzine before, you can use that email. But if you have already used and you are not you are not new to Dzine, you can create a new website. Okay, the idea is to create a new website or a new email, Gmail, Google Gmail, if you an email that has never been used on Dzine AI. Then you gonna see this dashboard, so you can test their features. Like I said, they have premium features, very good, especially with the rapid growing of AI stuff. Now you want to log in. If you already have a new account, or maybe if you already have an email but you have never subscribed, you can log in. If you don't have an email, or maybe you have never used Dzine, just create a new email account and then start. Click here where it says start free. So in my case, I'm going to be using Google to I'm going to insert my details here, and then after that, this is the dashboard for Dzine AI. And as a first time or maybe as a new user, you're going to see this free trials. So there is this one, start free trial. This is almost $9 per month. And what you're gonna get is actually they are telling you you're gonna get 900 fast queue credits per month and all this premium plus. Okay, and then we have creator, which is almost $20 per month. And you can see the offer here. They are saying 70% for the students and teachers and all the things here. And then we have the master, which is actually $60 per month, which is unlimited fast queue credits and all the things here. Okay, so because we want to try this, what you can do is actually to take instead of taking this for $8, you want to try using this one. Let me show you this one. This the creator plan. This is best because it's gonna give you more in terms of creation. You're gonna get almost everything. It beginner plus, credit rollover maximum 3 months. You have 5 current jobs. You have unlimited regular queue. You have up to 4 times high resolution exports, JPG, PNG. You have image to 3D model. You have CVG export. You have quick style. You have private pro style training with up to 10 storage slots. You have consistent character with up to 10 storage slots. You have video generations. Okay, so what you want to do, because you are trying, they have a lot of, you can read over all this one. You want to select this one. Okay, so I'm selecting this one that says free trial. So you're gonna click here where it says start your trial. Okay, once you come to this point, or maybe once you select start your trial, they're gonna ask, you can see this is in Turkish lira. I'm using Turkish lira, but this, like I say, this is around $20. So what you want to do, you're gonna fill in your details for payments. You want to use your card, and then you put your details and then click start trial. Let me quickly do that, and then I'm gonna show you what we have got. Once you're done that, you're gonna see this dashboard whereby they ask you, how did you hear about us? You can choose anything, YouTube, okay, and then what is your profession. You can choose depending on your profession. You can actually choose whatever you want here. If you're a designer, you can go ahead and then what is your area of focus. You can say animation or illustration depending on what you want, and then done. Once you're done, they give you this dashboard, a quick guide for beginners, but you can skip this one. Then you can also, if you want to join the community, if you don't want, just write skip. And then once you are here, as you can see, you have received 350 credits. Now let's say if you didn't want to actually have a free trial, normally they give per day 32 credits, but it comes when you make maybe something, it comes out, or maybe when you generate images or video, or images mostly, they come with a watermark, but for this one there won't be any watermarks. And then you can click here, start from an image, start a new project. Let's click on start a project and actually see what can we make. This is one of the best sites that I recommend, and as you can see, you can choose what you want to make. For instance, if you want this one for videos or stuff like that. And over here on your left hand side, you can upload their assets here, their text to image, image to image, character consistency, AI video, AI editor, face kit, and more. Okay, so that is it, guys. I just wanted to show you what you can actually see, how to get the pro version. Now, for instance, if you want to create something, and I want to show you some of the styles that are here. You can see here we have design general, design realistic, design 3D render, we have playful, we have cozy 3, we have glossy pop icon, we have playful, we have a lot of them. And one of the most I normally use these flags. They have a lot of amazing styles, especially for print on demand and other stuffs, and making maybe your AI influence in terms of actually character consistency. For instance, if you want to try, we can try flags, and then we give it a prompt. Let's say a beautiful African woman or something on a beach in summer dress, luxury, something luxury. Then you click here. I just want to show you how you can actually use for image generation and other things. Okay, so it's gonna start generating here, and you're gonna see everything. Okay, so let's give it a minute, and as you can see, there we have. If you double click, it comes on this canvas. You can actually see all very realistic results here. If you are using for your website, for your blog, for your content creation, and also you can turn this into video. We're gonna be seeing that in another video. For today, I just wanted to show you so that you can actually start using the free you can try free trial for Dzine AI Pro, so that you can see all these amazing features. We have remove background. If you want, you can click here and then it's gonna remove. As you can see, if you don't want this background, let's just give it a minute, and you can see it is removing the background. There are a lot of features, high very nice features that you can utilize here. And you guys, this is one of the best, especially for those who are for the content creators. Okay, so it has removed the background, and you can download here. And the best part is that when you save, you can actually upscale. You don't need to have another website to upscale. You can upscale to 1.5, you can upscale to 2 times, or maybe 3 or 4. Okay, so they have amazing features here. And also this one, character consistency. This one you can generate consistent character sheet here. If you click here, you choose which design you want, which style you want. Let's say if we want let's say a style like this one, and then you maybe walking. Okay, I'm just gonna do something simple, but you need to have a prompt that can actually alter this. Let me just show you if it can create this character consistency in different ways. I'm gonna remove this one so that you can see the results it is generating here, the character sheet for maybe a beautiful African woman, or maybe for your website, or maybe for your design, or anything, or for your business, stuff like that. So Dzine AI is one of the best websites that I highly recommend you to try. Now, if you just give it something, unless you specify, it's gonna give you a lot of things here. Like it's gonna give you the results won't be the same. For me, I needed to actually specify, and you can have character consistency in terms of which is it African or white girl. So guys, there you have. I'll see you next in my next videos. Tell me which part do you want me to explore, and let's keep on teaching or maybe learning together. Bye.